Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, The Pivot and Prosper Show. I'm Shondra, the founder of the Community Builders Lab and the Prosperous Woman Collective. It's November, a new month, a new season. And for Kingdom Builders, this is not the time to slow down. This is the time to plant. This is important. What you build in the last 2 months of 2025 will carry you straight into your 2026 harvest. Today, I want to talk about the 3C framework: community, classroom, and your calendar, and how these three systems can help you create a thriving space online, make impact, and generate income with what you already know. So let's get started with community. Build the table. Your people don't need more content, they need connection. Community is the table that you build for the people that God has called you to serve. You don't have to reach everyone, but you need to reach the one. One person, one problem, one solution. Ask yourself, who am I called to serve? What pain do I solve? What transformation do I lead people through? Don't overcomplicate it. You already have what you need: your story, your skills, and your experience. That's the seed. When you build community, you're building a safe place for people to learn, grow, and heal together. And that's kingdom work. Number 2, let's talk about the classroom. Teach what you know. Your story is the curriculum. You don't need credentials to teach, just results and obedience. Start recording your lessons. Create mini trainings or go live weekly and share the wisdom you've walked through. Inside your school classroom, you can organize your lessons, replays, and resources so your people can grow with you, even when you're not live. That's the beauty of this platform. It lets you multiply your message while keeping everything in one space. Number 3, let's talk about it: the calendar. Transformation happens in consistency, not chaos. That's why your calendar matters. Choose your rhythm. Maybe it's a weekly call, a monthly challenge, or a prayer or planning session. Your consistency builds trust. Your rhythm becomes their routine. And that's how you build real community and reoccurring income. Not through pressure, but through presence. If you're ready to start your own community, classroom, and calendar on Skool, I want to invite you to take the 7-day launch challenge. That's right, the 7-day launch challenge inside my Community Builders Lab. And it's completely free to join. You'll learn step by step how to set up your school group, invite members, and build your foundation. And when you're ready to go deeper, to monetize, to create digital products, and scale your income, join us inside the Prosperous Woman Collective. That's where I teach you how to build a life or create the life you never want to retire from. Doing what you love, helping others, helping who you've been called to serve, and prospering in purpose. Use my Skool affiliate link to get started and lock in your spot. Let's make November the month we build momentum, strengthen our foundations, and dream bigger than before. I'm Shondra with the Pivot and Prosper Show. I'll see you next time.